Yo guys, let's see the Video Maker app. I think this is a very simple and easy to use Android editing app for making simple videos. I think you can create just very simple videos because you have this like your transitions and some few effects which we're going to be talking about throughout this video. Alright, so some of the reasons why I think you guys should look into this app is one, it's a free app. You don't have to pay anything to use the app. It doesn't contain any ads, like seriously. You just use it with your Wi-Fi or your mobile data connected. It doesn't have watermarks like Power Director or KineMaster, those ones when you exploit your videos. You're going to see what are marks on some corner of the video. But with this app, you can export videos without saying. Watermarks. Another thing is that it has a lot of effects. Some are free, some are paid. Just depends on what you want. You can afford or what you want to miss out on. Then finally you can export up to 4K videos that are 60 frames per second, which is really impressive for a free app. This video is going to build like a review on how to use this app, and I'll be talking about things like the interface of the app, how to edit it, performance, limitations, because I found three major ones. I think some people will be really interested in knowing. Alright, so let's begin. For the first time, this is what you're basically going to see, just your drafts. This came with the app. I didn't create any of these videos. I can see if you want to study a new video, you can tap on new projects. But since I just want to talk to you guys about the interface of the app, I'm just going to tap one of the drafts down here. So for those of you who have been editing videos for a while, you know how it works. This is your previous screen, this is your play button, this one takes you to the beginning of the timeline, this is your full screen and your undo and redo buttons down here, you have the timeline. All these shapes over here are all the effects. I think this is a text. This one that looks like a P is your effects down here. You have the audio. This is your pictures or videos. In between you guys is the black video symbol, and that's for transitions. Alright, so down here you have all the icons for some of your effects, like to trim videos, to create stickers, to add music, to change the aspect ratio or the background, and so on and so forth. So hopefully you have your export button, and then the exporting closes the project. It's a really basic interface with all the buttons in the right places, but once I don't really know if I get used to anytime soon. It's the fact that you can only use this app in portrait mode, which means your phone is always going to be vertically held, not horizontally. So that's just all for the interface, and then let's move to the next, and which is editing, and I'm sure it's going to be the longest part of this video, so yeah, enjoy. Alright, so to start a new project you only have to tap on this button and to start a new project for you, and then you have to choose videos. So I created some gaming videos. I think I stopped this one, so after typing on the video you can play to make sure it's video game interested in editing. Alright, so the video has been imported into the timeline, and I'm just going to zoom out a bit because I feel like it's too long. One of the most basic operations you do while editing is cutting videos or splitting. And to do that here, just need to tap on the video layer and then you tap on split, and it's very easy. So if you don't want this part of the video, you can tap on it and then tap on the delete button, which is down here. You can just use the delete. If you make a mistake, you can come up here and then undo that operation. You just did for sure, that's very easy thing, but all I want to talk about in the part of the video is the effects and how to create audio markers and how to overlay. And then I talk about how to use transitions. Alright, so to add an effect, just click on this effect button and then look for the effect you want. So for this, I'm just going to look for the green motion effect. This is it right here, green monitor. Alright, so add the effect, you just need to tap on it and hold. Now because your playhead is here, this is where the effect is going to get placed. So I'm just going to press it and hold. As you can see, effect is being added to the video. Now the effect is going to be edited for as long as you keep pressing and holding. And after you're done, then tap this check button. As you can see, the effect has been applied. And this is it over here, so you can edit or delete it, like tapping on it. And then typing on delete. Alright, so let's have a look at what the effects look like. So that's basically how you do it. You just tap on effect and then you select the effect you want. Let's see another one. This one is called the Phantom. Yeah, so there are tons of effects, and like I said, they are also premium effects. The effects with this crown icon, effects you have to pay for in order to use. I'm using the free version of the app, so I'm not going to be showing you guys how to use these effects, but if you want to try them out, you can also pay for the app. Alright, so one of the things I don't like about this app is the fact that you cannot overlay videos, but you can pick it just in order to do that. Just come down here and tap on sticker, and then tap on sticker from here. You can import any picture you want. So I'm just going to look for a picture. Alright, so I selected this picture and I'm going to tap this. So as you can see, the picture has been brought up here and you can adjust it to how you want. It's on whatever you want to do. If you can do with a picture, and this is down here on the timeline, tap on it to increase the length of the picture by dragging the sides. And if I play it, you can see the picture up on the screen. Alright, so I went ahead and made a few cuts to the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to add transitions. It's very easy. After creating a cut, tap on this icon, and then you need to have a list of all transitions that are available for you. So I think I'll just choose a smooth left, but after our dinner transition you can see the black video symbol. Yeah, so I'm just going to add more transitions so you guys can see how they work. Alright, so about this and transitions, now just play, yeah, that's it, you just play, you guys, you can see, fixed. So those are probably the wrongest times to add transitions, but you guys get the point. If you want to add an effect or do anything to a particular clip, you just need to tap on the clip and you have all the options down here that you can work with. You can reverse, you can rotate, you can duplicate, and you know, other things. So out of text, you just need to tap on text and then type in what you want. Choose text unintended and then tap the key button. So this is your text. You can edit it how you want by tapping on the pencil icon here. There you can do all sorts of everything, like you can change the color. Let's try black. You can change the animation. So this is how the text is going to climb in. If you want to change the animation for how the text is going to exit the screen, tap on out and then select the animation you want. Just stop and slide. Finally, you can create a loop of how the text is going to be throughout the video, which I think to some extent may not be necessary, but it depends on what you want. We have this other feature that can create spaces between the characters and make it transparent or black. I think that's how you pronounce it. And just not tap. Okay, this is how it looks like. Alright, so a really cool feature I like about this app is the audio marker. What I want to do now is just import new audio sounds. The music, then I'm going to import this. This option down here that says marker is what we're going to be looking at. So I'm just going to give this video play, and whatever there's a beat that I like to create a new marker. Check it out. Alright, I've created my markers and I'm going to tap this button. So you must have noticed that each time there's a marker, and the beat comes up. So what I want to do is just adjust this pick just to make the bit, and then when I'm done I'm going to show you the final outcome. Okay, I'm done. It's not perfect, it's just what I can do because I'm trying to make the video short as possible, but here we go. Alright, so it's very short, you get the point I'm trying to make. If you have like to create markers for all your bits, and you can do that using the markers option, then create your markers and then adjust your videos according to how the markers are placed. Alright, so this is all. I can say about the editing aspect of this app. If you want more tutorials, just let me know. I'll try to create as many as I can. Alright, let's move to the next section. Logically, when it comes to performance, it depends on the kind of phone you use. If you use a very old phone, then the app is going to perform very badly. But if you use some of the newest phones, then you're going to get a good performing app. However, the app itself is a very good performing app because as you scroll through the timeline, everything changes as quickly as possible. Like there's no lag for me so far. Compared to like Power Director, there's lots when I scroll through the timeline. But on this one, this app has no lags. It exports videos. It depends on the resolution you're exporting your videos. In 4K, it's going to take a lot longer than spotting in 720p, for example, and I believe it also varies with the device. So if you have a good device with one of the latest processors, then you're going to export videos faster compared to old processors or slow processors. Overall, this app is good when it comes to performance via three things that I think this app is lacking. Number one is something I've mentioned earlier. You can't overlay videos. You can overlay pictures but not videos. The second thing is you can't use keyframes. Here keyframes, in my opinion, are very vital. So those of you who want to create animations, well, you have to stay away from this app. As I said earlier, this is a simple app for making simple videos. Finally, there is no chroma key function, which is very bad. So for those that like using green screens, you can't do that using this app, which is a deal breaker for most people. The last part is, even if you get transparent videos, you can't overlay them using this app because you only have one layer to work with. Yeah, so those are the limitations for the Video Maker app, which I hope will be fixed in future updates. So that's all for the review of the Video Maker. It was a long one. Hope you find it interesting. My final thoughts is that this is a very good simple video editing app only. It doesn't call with all the advanced features. It's still good enough for creating simple videos, and I'm sure with time upgrades are going to be made for this app. That's just it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, make sure to give the thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe and comment. Take care of yourselves and each other, and until the next one, see ya.